Howdy do. Welcome to A God Word This, where readings are done from the Jamaican New Testament at 5 a.m. Jamaica time. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. More about me you will find in the description below. Have you ever heard from the Jamaican New Testament? You have never heard it read? Nobody never read it for you? Alright, today a lucky day. I'm going to read it for you, see? So, listen up.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Luke 9, 1 to 17. Jesus called him 12 apostles them together, and him give them power and the right to run out demon and to cure sick people. Him send them out to tell people about God's kingdom and to cure the sick. Jesus tell them, say, no take nothing with you no when you know go. No carry no walking stick, no bag, no bread, no money, or no clothes for change. The first man will take on in them house, stand there with them until you're ready for left the town. If people no want on in them town, shake off the dust off of one foot when you know left. On if you do this, make them know say God not happy with them, and him a go judge them. So Jesus apostle them travel from district to district, and preach the good news and a cure people. When Herod Antipas were rule over Galilee, hear about the sitting them where Jesus did do, him start fret, cause some people are say John the Baptist come back alive. Other people say Elijah come back. Some say one of the prophet them from way back when come back alive. But Herod say, and me make them chop off John the Baptist head. So who the man ya? Me I hear them sitting here about. And Herod try to meet up with Jesus. The apostle them come back and tell Jesus all what them do. Then Jesus take them and slip go to one town near Bethsaida. But the people them find out which part him a go and follow him. Jesus ain't turn them back. Him make them come, him teach them about God's kingdom, and him cure the one them was sick. When evening a come, Jesus 12 apostles them come to him and say, send the people them, make them go in the district them and round the countryside if you go look food and some of it on, cause nothing no there for them. Jesus answer them say, give them sitting for them. Them answer Jesus and say, we have only 5 bread and 2 fish. If we feed the crowd of people here, we have to go buy food. About 5,000 man did it. But Jesus said to him special follower them, make the people them group up and sit down. About 50 somebody for they in one group. Jesus special follower them do what him tell them. And everybody sit down. Jesus take the 5 bread and the 2 fish from him follower them. After that, him look up in heaven, give thanks and broke up them. Him take the food we broke up, give him follower them, for give the people them. Everybody yam till them belly full. And Jesus follower them full 12 baskets with leftover food. This a God word. Thank God. Remember now, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bless you.
Want more info? Check the description box. little more.